In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil on this Volkswagen TDI wagon. Let's get into it. Now just grab the engine cover. You want to just lift up. There's just grommets holding it in. Pull that up and out of the way. And the oil filter is located right here underneath this cap. It is a cartridge style. We're going to use a 32mm oil filter socket. You can just use a regular 32mm socket, but sometimes it helps. There's a little more clearance. And loosen this up. Pull that up, let it drain for a second. Just going to use a rag or an absorber just to prevent oil from getting on the EGR tube. And just pull this past. The filter actually came out, that's okay. Pull that out. There we go. Remove this undershield. I'm going to use a T25 socket. Take these screws out on the sides. Take those out. In the back there's 3. Just use a T30 socket. Take these screws out. Shield's going to come down. There's some clips right here. You might use a straight blade screwdriver. Pop those out and just slide it back. With a drain bucket underneath, we're going to take the drain plug off. Use a 19mm wrench. Loosen that up. Take that off, let it drain. Make sure the seal comes off with the drain plug. You can take that off, we're gonna replace that. That's drained out. Now take the drain plug, put the new seal on. We'll get this started. Snug that down and torque this to 22 foot-pounds. That's good. Take a rag, just wipe off any residual. That's good. Now take this shield, get this lined up, clip those in place. That's good. And get the fasteners started in the back. Good. Now get all the little ones started. Don't tighten them down all the way yet. Just make sure you get them all started. Otherwise it's going to be difficult to tighten them. Or it'll be difficult to get other ones in. And the other side. All right, those are all in. Now we can tighten these down. And these back ones, tighten these down. All right, take the oil filter housing cap. You want to clean it off a little bit with a rag. Then using a pick, we're going to take the old O-ring off right there. Take the new O-ring. And just slide it on. You want to put it in the right groove all the way around. Looks good. And I'm just going to take a little fresh engine oil and just wipe it on the seal. That's good. Take the new filter, clip it in place, and then there's a seal right here. You want to just put a little oil on that seal as well. Right there. That's good. And get this lined up. Just pull that coolant hose out of the way a little bit. Let's go nice and slow so the O-ring doesn't pop out. All right. Now we can torque that. And I'm going to torque this to 18 foot-pounds. Not very much, that's good. Pull that off. I'm going to take the cap off. And we'll use a clean funnel. Take the appropriate oil. We're using 5W30. May be different depending on your climate. This is a synthetic oil as well. And this vehicle takes about 4.4 quarts of oil. I'll put a little less than half a quart for this one. I already put 4 quarts in. And that's about half the bottle. I'll grab the funnel, pull that out, take the cap, put the cap on. Now you're going to start the vehicle. Let it run for about 15 seconds. And shut it off. And pull the dipstick out. Wipe it off with a rag, with a clean rag. Reinstall the dipstick, wait about 4 seconds. Pull it out. And you can see the oil on the hash marks. That's where you want it. That looks good. If it seems a little low, you could wait a couple more minutes. Sometimes the oil has to drip down to the pan. And you're all set. Now take the engine cover, get that lined up, and push it on. To reset the oil life, there's this button on the dash, the 00 set button. Hold that button down. Then you turn the key to the on position, just like that. Do you want to reset? We're going to hit the OK. Service reset. Then you can let go and turn the key off.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.